Tired of eating the same old basic chicken Caesar salad wrap? Well, look no further. First thing you want to do is add your delicious chicken to a bowl. Don't be afraid to add the lettuce. It may appear to look like a lot, but once you get to mixing and combining all of the other ingredients, you're going to realize it's not as much lettuce as you thought it was. Add our grated parmesan cheese. For this particular recipe, I'm going to use cheese and garlic croutons. To step the flavors up even more, I'm going to add some dried jalapenos as well, along with our cheddar bacon crisp. Creamy Caesar dressing. Add as much as you prefer, and we're also going to hit it off with some of our deluxe bold Caesar dressing as well. Mix it on up really, really good. Pull the chicken from the bottom, bring it to the top. Add our tortillas, heat them up just a little bit. Add a good amount. Once you're done, you're going to fold it on over. Grab the two sides and fold those bad boys on over as well. And we are going to get to wrapping just like this. So easy, so simple. Cut into it, serve it on up, and boom, we're done.